Welcome back. It's touted to be India's highest paying cashback and coupon site that offers customers instant cashback on almost every deal. To take us through the business metrics, Ankita Jain, the co-founder, joining us of GoPaisa.com. Ankita, thanks for being with us. I want to first understand, Ankita, because there is plenty of competition in this space. So take us through when you say you're the highest paying cashback site, exactly the kind of figures that you've seen, the kind of traction you've seen, and really what the offering's all about.
Okay. So we are India's highest paying cashbacks and coupon site. We also have an app. We have for the app we already have 1 million plus downloads, and we have a using base of 10 lakh plus using users. So what we do is we provide cashback to all the using users. So right now, let's say you're shopping on Flipkart, Amazon, wherever you're shopping, you're ordering your food, whatever you are doing, we'll give you cashback on top of all your discounts. And plus the advantage that we have is we have the best redemption options. So most of our competitors have just one redemption option, that's a bank transfer, but we have 5 different redemption options. So whatever cashback that you collect, you can transfer into your bank account, take it as a recharge, or even transfer it to wallets. So all these MobiKwik, PayU and Paytm. So we have all of those on board.
So how do you...
And plus, the as far as the...
Go ahead.
Yes?
Go ahead.
As far as the GMV is concerned, so this financial year we are planning to close at 500 crore GMV for our partner merchants.
Fantastic. So how do you manage these high payout rates, Ankita? What's the range of the cashback, the percentage that you offer, and are the higher payout ones on a limited selection of deals? Just take us through how it works.
Okay, so the cashback ranges from somewhere 5% to 30%, and these are quite different from the deals. So cashback is available on everything, and the best part is it is also available on cash on delivery option. So most of the cashbacks, if you see, you would know about the credit card cashback or wallet cashback. So you can get those cashback only if you transfer to a particular wallet. But most of the transactions that are happening now in the online space is happening COD. So this is where it also helps us target the people who are working on COD option. So even if you do a COD option, you can still get a cashback. So this is on top of all your discount coupons and all your wallet discounts. On top of everything, you get this cashback amount.
How much has the tie-up with some of these, wallet sites also helped you? For instance, MobiKwik, etc. How much, traction are you seeing there from customers?
So I can tell you, since till last year, bank was the most favorite option, but right now it's wallets that is the most favorite option, because it's quite convenient, right? You do not have to take out your credit card and you have to fill in the money into your wallets. You can just transfer whatever you've earned into your wallets, and that's like, even for a consumer, they tend to spend this money more easily, because it's like this is the money that they've earned and this is not what is coming out of their bank accounts. So they spend this money really fast. This helps us to build up an entire cycle. So like when they make a decision to buy something, to finally buying the product. So we control the entire cycle of it. That's how we do it.
Right, fantastic. So talk us through, for example, some of the trends, for instance, that you saw this festive season, Flipkart's big billion sale, etc. And they're a client of yours too. What were some of the trends that emerged? And of course, a lot of these e-commerce sites are seeing viability in giving that commission to cashback sites such as yours. So give us a sense of the kind of traffic that must have come through on a big day like that through that avenue for them.
Okay. So this festive season for the month of Diwali, we saw a GMV of 55 crore just for the festive month. And the kind of traction that we saw was really, so I can tell you, last year we delivered a GMV of 1 crore. So the growth is there, the growth that is there, you can clearly see. So last year we were standing at 1 crore, and this year we delivered a sales of 55 GMV for our partner merchants, 55 crore GMV for our partner merchants. And with the discounts going down rather, the cashback is going up. because of the only reason, because cashback is more of a loyalty thing. It makes the customer stick to you. So I know what the customer is looking to buy, what is he buying, what is his behavior. I know everything because I know the entire decision making process, how he's making the decision, what is actually influencing me because of the data that I have, and accordingly I cater my customer. So this festive season, the maximum category that picked up was the home furnishing category. That was the biggest category. Recharges have always been bigger, but home furnishing did really well this year.
Ankita, tell us a little bit about your story, how you got into this and decided to turn an entrepreneur. When did you start GoPaisa?
Okay, so we started GoPaisa 3 years back. And right now, so we started when I and Aman were dating. So Aman is my co-founder and my husband. So we both were dating together, and Aman was studying in Nottingham University, London. So he used to save a lot of money on all these US, UK cashback sites. So he always used to discuss with me that, okay, Ankita, I've saved this much, and because I don't have that much money to spend, but still I'm able to spend a lot of money because of the cashback sites. So we really thought that we should get this concept to India because it's wonderful and Indians love saving. So why not? So that's how we decided to start it. And once when we got this concept to India, it was really difficult because nobody knew the concept of cashback back then. Everybody was talking about coupons, deals and all of those. Nobody really knew what cashback actually was. So they were telling us, and we were quite young. So right now I'm 26. So nobody believed us back then because that such a concept could work. But then numbers talked for us, and that's how we did. And I'm born in Gujarat, so the business instincts come from there as well. And before starting this, I was with a radio agency, so that's where I was working. I was working with Radio Metro.
Right. All right.
I was planning all the programming for them.
Okay. Fantastic. So Ankita, what about growth going ahead? What are your plans? Any funding that you're looking out for or that you've been approached for? Take us to some of what's on the agenda for 2016.
Okay, so as far as the funding is concerned, yes, we have been approached by a lot of people, and recently we've hired a very big investment banker with us, and so we are in talks with a lot of people. So soon you might get a good news for Series A, that because we're going for our Series A, so soon you might just get a good news about that. As far as 2016 is concerned, our main focus is towards building a savings destination. So wherever consumer is shopping, whatever, so be it deals, be it coupons, we have already coupons and deals, but our main focus towards 2016 is that it should be a savings destination. Whatever deals are available, whatever coupons are available, the main focus is the consumer should get the product at the cheapest possible cost. Because that's the main focus. If a consumer is able to get the product at the cheapest possible cost through all the other mediums, then that's the war that we win. We should be like the go-to persons when they are thinking about buying anything. We'll give them the best prices, the best deals and the best cashbacks.
Right.
And plus, we are also planning to enter offline business.
Okay, finish the thought in terms of what's on the agenda there as well.
Can you repeat?
Yeah, you said offline business, so do finish the thought in terms of what you're looking at there, and also very quickly as we run out of time, any takeaways so far in your journey? I know it's only been 3 years, but as an entrepreneur, anything you'd like to share with us in terms of learning so far?
Okay, so as far as my learning is concerned, I would like to tell you that all you budding entrepreneurs, you should just concentrate on hiring, because that's where team building is concerned. So if you have the right person with you, you can do a wonderful job ahead. So just invest in your hiring because that's really important. And as far as my learning is concerned, initially we were quite young, we did a lot of mistakes. Don't be afraid to do mistakes. It's good to do mistakes because if you do mistakes, you learn out of those mistakes. So that's the one thing I'd like to tell to all the budding entrepreneurs out there, that do a lot of mistakes because that will help you stand ahead.
All right, Ankita, we'll leave it there. Wishing you a very happy holiday. Thanks for joining us, and do let us know when you do receive that Series A round of funding. GoPaisa.com, big ambitions there for this young startup. That's all we have time for on Rising Stars. Thanks for watching.